Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DriveSpark. This is Bharadwaj and we are here in Delhi to witness the Volkswagen Taigun's launch event, and Volkswagen has just announced the prices, and I'm going to be talking to you in this video announcing the complete prices and also the maintenance costs and the fuel efficiencies what Volkswagen has claimed for its new, the most affordable SUV that has been launched in India. Let's get started. So here what you see is the red Volkswagen Taigun. We also have four other colors apart from this. That's the yellow, the launch color what you have seen, and it also has silver, white and grey. So these are the five colors that Volkswagen has. I will show you all the colors. What you see here is the silver color from the Volkswagen Taigun, and what you see there is the white color of the Volkswagen Taigun. Let me also show you a quick brief of the grey color. What you see here, so this is the grey color Volkswagen Taigun. Let me get back to the red color. So starting with the prices, before I can give you the prices, let me show you a quick walk around of what the car is about. So Volkswagen has launched the Taigun as its first India 2.0 product. So they are have heavily localized this car, and they have also lowered the cost of ownership, which I'm going to tell you about in detail in the video further on. And also this is the most affordable Volkswagen SUV that has been launched in India. So starting with the variants what Volkswagen has made to the Taigun, so they have introduced two new trim levels, what I can say. That is the dynamic trim, which includes the 1-liter engine and transmissions, and also they have introduced something called as performance line or performance trim. So starting with the dynamic trim, it has three trims, what is called as the comfort line, the high line and the top line. The comfort line is only available with a manual gearbox, that's a 6-speed manual gearbox, whereas the high line and the top line are available in a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic gearbox. But the price is starting for the comfort line, which is the base spec model of the Volkswagen Taigun. It's 10.49 lakh, whereas the top end model from the dynamic trim of the Volkswagen Taigun, which is the top line automatic variant, that costs 15.9 lakh ex-showroom India. So what you see here is the 1-liter dynamic trim model, because it is instantly distinguishable with the GT badge absent on the grille. So when you go to the white, so this is what is the top end model of the Taigun. It is filled with all the bells and whistles. So let me tell you a little bit about what the GT line, what GT or the performance trim what Volkswagen has introduced. They have introduced two trim levels for the performance line. That is, both are GT. One is GT and GT Plus. What you see here is the GT Plus variant, because it comes with a DSG gearbox that costs 17.49 lakh ex-showroom, and the GT base model what is there, that costs 14.99 lakh ex-showroom. So again, what you see here is the GT model. So that is instinctively, you can recognize this car as a GT model because of this badge which is sitting right in front of the grille. So this again comes with a 1.5 liter TSI engine. Let me give you a quick rundown of the specifications, so you can pause the video and have a look at it. Here you see is the engine specifications of the top spec Evo. So 1.5 liter Evo with active cylinder cancellation. So in case if you stop and start traffic, it has the ability to cut off cylinders so that it can give you more fuel efficiency. As you see here, it comes with a 7-speed DSG, but the GT base variant what is there, that comes with a 6-speed manual, which is there in the dynamic trim as well. Power figures and the torque figures remains the same for both the models, which is 150 PS at 6000 RPM and 250 Newton meters of torque at 3500 RPM. In terms of brakes, it gets front disc and rear drum. We could have done with a rear disc as well. And here you see are the dimension rundown for the Volkswagen Taigun. You can see the 385 liters of boot space, 188 meters of ground clearance, and you also have the wheelbase set at 2651 meters. Now coming back to So the main aspect, one of the main aspects is the fuel efficiency. Volkswagen are claiming for the 1.5 liter, it's around 18 kilometer per liter, but for the DSG gearbox, it's rated around 17.88 kilometer per liter. Now, if I come back and give you the same rundown of specifications on the 1 liter trim, you can see here it is mentioned 16.44 kilometers per liter, and also the spark figures for this is 155 PS and 178 bh newton meters of torque for the 1 liter engine. So this is the pricing, and I also told you earlier in the video that I would be mentioning a couple of cost of ownership that Volkswagen has done with their Taigun. Let me just give you a quick rundown on that. So what Volkswagen are saying is, for the 1 liter engine, the cost of ownership will be somewhere around 37 paise per kilometer, and for the 1.5 liter engine, it will be somewhere around 40 paise per kilometer. So these are the cost of ownership what Volkswagen is claiming. And also, if the customer needs, they can extend the warranty by paying packages starting at 11,999. And if they also want a service value package, it starts from 21,999 and goes all the way up to 27,999, which according to Volkswagen ensures that your Taigun only takes a maximum of 5,000 rupees of annual maintenance, which is amazing for this car, and from where Volkswagen have come in terms of cost of ownership. So absolutely amazing. I hope I have given you all the details about this car. I'm sure you know this car already. You have watched our first ride review. If you have any questions in terms of pricing, please do mention them in the comments and we will reply on this. Please like and share the video, and until next time, stay safe. This is Puneet Bhardwaj signing off for DriveSpark.